We'll guide you through how to find your Gmail password. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and navigate to the Google account page by typing myaccount.google.com in the address bar. Once there, make sure you're logged in to the Google account associated with the Gmail you want to access. Next, look for the Security tab on the left-hand side and click on it. Scroll down to the Signing In to Google section. Here, you will see options related to your password and how you sign in. If you're looking to recover a forgotten password, you need to click on the Password option. Google will ask you to enter your current password if you remember it. If you've forgotten it entirely, click on Forgot Password below the password entry box. Google will then guide you through the recovery process. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include verifying your identity through another email or a phone number associated with your account. It's important to ensure you have access to these recovery options. If you've set up two-step verification, you may need to enter a code sent to your phone or use a backup code. After successfully verifying your identity, you can set a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to enhance security. If you're using Chrome, you can also check the Passwords section in your browser settings where saved passwords are stored. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right, select Settings, then Autofill, and click on Passwords. There, you can view saved passwords by clicking the eye icon next to the Gmail entry, provided you have the necessary device credentials. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.